sick of the devil feeding me them lies. I swear that I felt God on that Thursday night. Grabbed my hand and he held it tight.
We're going to see some waterfalls in the snow in Oregon.
I've never felt that safe in my whole dang life. I've never done good, but I swear, Jesus, I'll try. Hold my hand, don't you leave.
We're done at North Canyon Trailhead. I love the waterfalls. What are we doing next? We're going to shoot guns?
Yeah.
Oh, this
We're at the shooting range.
darkness cannot fool me.
Magazine in, slap it in hard, and that automatically loaded. The
Okay.
hammer's back,
Yep.
should be ready to fire.
This darkness cannot fool me.
So if I want to clear it midway, you do that, then you can hold it open. What are you looking for?
Never was the type to believe in fairy tales, but Lord, there's nothing here on earth to make me feel the way I feel. A child's evil from his youth, I guess we're all born in the fire. Got a lot on my heart at the moment, you know I need something to free my soul. Remember, these are all the things I prayed about.
I'll be your tour guide today. On the left, we have historic Willamette Falls.
Oh the Lord, I finally got a car, but I can't seem to drive it home. Oh my heart prays, Jesus. My heart prays, Jesus.
That's the top of the waterfall. What?
You need a long stick for this angle.
Doing my first ice bath. It's really cold. I was just in the sauna. Am I allowed to pee in here?
No, absolutely not.
How long has it been?
4 minutes.
Should I get out now?
Dunk.
Do I cover my ears? Oh,
Yeah, just do it because it's chlorine.
The places that had stayed long.